Hi, today we're going to see how to remove white backgrounds from graphics in Photopea. So go to Filters, Other, and then here, Color to Alpha, left click. So here it is. So now here you just need to select the color you want to remove. So for example, for me, I want to remove the white color. So here it is, and now press OK. So here's our graphic. And now here you'll be able to, for example, control the transparency from these two sliders here and the opacity. So now I'm just going to click OK. And now in order to export the transparency here, you will need to export the image in a PNG format. So just go to File, Export, and then make sure to select the PNG format. So here it is. That's how you can remove white backgrounds from graphics in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.